In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the color match feature in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button to import your video. Once imported, add it to the track. Let's duplicate the video for comparison later. Now, select the second video layer. Go to the Adjust tab in the toolbar. Here, click on the color match. This feature lets you match the color of your video. In the preview area, scroll to your timeline and select the frame you want to use as your color reference. Click OK to confirm your selection. Once selected, CapCut will automatically match the color tone of the selected frame throughout the video. After that, adjust the intensity slider to your liking. Once you're done, compare the two videos to see the result. Delete the first video layer. Preview the video to see the result in action. Once satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully used Color Match in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!